What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the Crypto Channel 329. Today's video is going to be another pocket options live trading session. So it's 20th of October 2023, 9 o'clock UTC time. Okay, guys. So today's target is to reach 300 bucks. So we're going to hit 300 bucks. And then once we hit 300 bucks, we're going to cash out 75 bucks and let 225 to roll for the next milestone. Okay, so I'm not gonna set my indicators because they're already here. Okay, they are the usual indicators. And today's video, I'm also going to show you how I pick my currency pairs. Okay, guys, so I've chose this one because we can see the pattern right here. Okay, and all you got to do is just hit the star to save this one. So in the meantime, let's prepare this trading session and let's see if we can find more potential currencies to trade. Okay, so that's what this initial session is going to be about. It's going to be, let's call it a warm-up. Okay, warm-up session where we just prepare our trading session to to get us started, right? So that's just a warm-up session, right? So we're just warming up, selected the currency pairs so we can perform trades. And from there, we're just going to analyze and wait, essentially. Okay. But yeah, warm-up, usually what I'm looking for is trending pairs, pairs that are on a trend. Okay, so for example, this one is a bit too messy and you cannot really see a trending pair, a trend. And also, if you look at the MACD, it's very messy, so I'll just leave it alone. Okay, so let's go over to currencies. Let's see what's up. Usually around this time, not much happens. Okay, sometimes you can be lucky, but usually not much happens. Okay, so you have to keep that in mind. Okay, we potentially gonna have a look at this one. So if we mark this one over here, okay, right there, and here, and here. Yes, something like this. So as you can see, the chart, the price came from the dump, pumped, hit this top right here, down, top, down, top, down, and potentially it's going to the top again. Okay, so we're not gonna place a trade on these, or maybe we should. We got 1% right here. Uh, I feel like I'm a bit late because if it doesn't go all the way to the top, we might miss this one. But um, MACD shows lots of green candles, so potentially this one is going to be a good trade. Okay, everything indicates that the price is going to have a continuation to the upside. And if you look at the 100 EMA, we can see that the price it's above the 100 EMA, so that shows um, um, an uptrend. Okay, so we're gonna save this one because I feel like I'm a bit late for this one, so I'm gonna save this one. So you might have a pullback. So this one potentially gonna have a pullback right here. So if you look at the top over here, we can see that we got the top right here. So as you can see, price topped out over here, and potentially we're gonna have a reversal. Yeah, I'm gonna save this one as well. So let's see what's gonna happen. So potentially I'm gonna take a trade on this one if you have a continuation to the downside. So this one, as you can see, still going up right there, right? So this one right here probably is gonna be our first trade. So let's see how the price is going to react. So if you look at the MACD, we can see that the green line is coming closer to the red line, and we also getting lots of red candles, okay, red bars. Okay, so that's a sign that the trend is reversing. Okay, and we can see right here lots of red candles. Okay, so I am going to risk it and I'm going to take one trade right there. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so each trade I'm gonna invest 2.8 bucks, and each trade will have a duration of 1 minute and 11 seconds. Okay, right? we got a green candle right here, and this is a strong green candle. Hopefully it's not going to pump as high as this, and from here it's going to have a continuation to the downside, so we can capitalize on this first trade. Okay, so we have 37 seconds to go. Let's see how this one will go. So the reason why I haven't placed more trades is because the price haven't uh, went below this line right here, and potentially is not gonna go to. So that's why I only placed one trade, because as you can see, price is not really going the way that we want it. So most likely it's gonna have a continuation to the upside. So we're gonna keep this one in mind, and you're going to be on the lookout because potentially you're going to have a pullback to this line right here. So we might be able to profit on that one. Okay, so this one is starting the pullback. Okay, obviously we are on the uptrend, so we're not going to trade against the trend because the pullback might be a bit shorter. Okay, so we're going to wait for the price to reverse and start to going back up. There you go. As you can see right here, seems like the price is not going to go much lower than this. So in the meantime, let's set up our trading session. So we failed one trade already. Not a problem. Hopefully, we're going to have plenty more opportunities to recoup. So you can see right there. Okay, so this one potentially might be a good one as well. So we're going to save it right there. So this video probably is going to be a bit longer because I'm taking my time to show you how to set up a trading session, or at least show you how I set up my trading session. Okay, everybody has their own trading style. So this is how I do it. This is how I select my uh, trading pairs and go from there. So this one right here, you don't really see the pattern, but we can see that the price reacts to the 100 EMA. So it touched the 100 EMA, bounce back up, touches, bounce up, touches, up, and over here it broke a little bit below, but potentially we're gonna have a continuation to the upside. Okay, if that's the case, we're potentially gonna be able to capitalize on this trade, but at the same time, we can see that it's doing lower highs right here. Okay, so you can see that it's doing lower highs. So potentially the price will come to this line right here and break below, continue to the downside. Or if it breaks above, we're going to have a continuation to the upside. Okay. So I'm going to save this one as well right there. So let's have a look around for the pairs that we already got. Sometimes it's good to lock it because sometimes you move it and you lose a little bit of the angle. So this one is testing. We can see the MACD crossover and lots of red bars. So it's a no-go. We're going to go upside on that one. So this one probably is going to retest this level. And then from there, if the trend continues, we'll continue to the upside. So we're going to keep an eye on that one as well. This one, lots of red bars and the signal is getting weak. So we're potentially not going to touch this one. So this one, okay, is pumping up and is breaking above. So unfortunately, it didn't come all the way here, so we couldn't catch a good swing. But many opportunities will come. Okay, this one right here, signal is getting weaker, okay, and feels like it's gonna go down, okay, because it failed to come over here, test this line right here. So potentially it will go down. So we're just waiting for the confirmation, okay? So MACD is still in green. We haven't seen a crossover or anything like that. So something to keep in mind. But red bars are starting to appear. Okay, we got one red bar right there. And if this one comes down, potentially, let me have a look. Let me see if I can find a pattern over here. Okay. Yeah, potentially will come down to this line. So let's see how it goes. And then from there, if the price continues to go up, we might have a breakout. Okay, so let's keep that one in mind, and let's have a look around. So the target today is 200 and not 200, 300 bucks. Okay, we're gonna make that 300 bucks and cash out 75 bucks, and then we're gonna move on to the next milestone, which I'm gonna tell you at the end of the session what the next target will be. Right there. Yeah, it's more like it. Okay, this one potentially is going to be a good one. As you can see right here, MACD is doing a crossover, and we have lots of green bars, I mean. Okay, so we came down here, and then from here potentially will go up. Okay, obviously candles are a bit weak at the moment, so we gotta proceed with cautious, but most likely this one will go up. Okay, so I'm gonna wait on this one. Did I save this one? No. Let me save it. Let me save it because I'm gonna keep an eye on this one. So let's have a quick look around for the pairs that we already got. So this one is coming below. Okay, let's see if this one is gonna go up from here or it's gonna come to this bottom right here, local bottom, I mean, right there. Right there. Okay, cool. So we're gonna wait and see. So let's see if it comes below this one. Most likely it's gonna come all the way down here. Okay, so MACD is all red. Okay, so let's see. Ideally, I would like to see this one bouncing back up, but because that's what we are expecting. But if it doesn't happen, well, so be it. So this one is here. Okay, is reacting to this line as you can see. So probably gonna have continuation. We'll see. Signal is getting weak, and then after that, most likely we're gonna have a big pump or big dump. Okay, so this one still making green bars right there on the histogram, but signal, the candles, as you can see, they're not really that strong. Okay, so very small candles, so this can be a dangerous trade. What is the other one? Okay, right here. So let's see what's gonna happen. So this, let's see how it's going to react. So hopefully from here, the price will have a bounce back up. Okay, so let's go and wait and see. Okay, as you can see, price is reacting to this level. And if the same pattern repeats, okay, we're gonna see a nice pump. Okay, and I'm gonna wait for one more candle to see what's gonna happen. See, have a look at the MACD, and you know, if the other candle is bullish, then we can proceed to go higher. But at the same time, the 7 EMA is still above the candles, okay? So you gotta be very careful with that, okay? But if the pattern repeats, just like this one, we're gonna have, potentially gonna have this scenario right here, okay? So let's have a look. But yeah, all looks good. So potentially I'm gonna take this trade going up, and hopefully we're gonna score on this one. It's a bit cold out here today. Winter definitely is coming soon. Right, so this is a big red bar that's pushing the price down. So that's showing us that the price most likely is going to come down all the way to this one. Well, maybe not. Well, the price is in two minds, but we're still in a downtrend, as you can see right here in MACD, right? Lines still far apart from each other. Doesn't seem like we're going to have a crossover. So I am lean to take a lower entry right here on this trade, and betting that the price will go down. most likely meeting this local low. But at the same time, the price is really reacting. So let's see if the price comes up a little bit more so I can place a trade right there. Okay, so we got the second trade of the day. So yeah, seems like price is coming down to this area over here. Meantime, let me have a quick look around to the pairs that we already got here. Oh, this one missed it. Okay, this one is still in the same pattern. This one still in two minds, either to go up or down. Okay, this one is pulling back up a little bit. Hopefully it won't burn us. How many seconds we got? 25 seconds. Ooh, red bar right there. 19 seconds. Ooh, no. A reversal over here. It's gonna kill us. Okay. It's 8 seconds to go. Ah, we got the reversal last minute. 3 seconds. Okay, we got screwed over. Damn it. We didn't go all the way down. So we lost the second trade of the day. But it is what it is. So let's take a trade over here. Let's take another one here. So we got 2 trades going on. Price is in 2 minds. So let's see if we can take a third trade. There. Okay. Oh, don't tell me going down. Don't tell me going down. So we're going to roll over. It's going to be a risky play. We're going to roll over on this one. Right. Yeah, confirm it. This one, I'm in 2 minds about this rollover. So I'm going to this one as it is because I entered this one a little bit late. So I'm going to leave it as it is. So the other ones we rolled over. So rollover is adding an extra 1 minute and 11 seconds to my position and adding an extra 280 to my trade. Okay, so that's rollover. It can be risky, but sometimes it pays off. Okay, so for example, in this case, if I need more time to roll over, the extra time will help me to secure the trade. But this trade right here is playing tricks, right? So it's been a hard trade. And what happened? Huh? I don't know what happened there. Uh, yeah, I don't know what happened over there. But for some reason, that trade got lost. Huh? Yeah, I really don't understand what happened, what just happened. So that trade, what happened to that trade? I ain't got a clue what happened. I ain't got a clue. Oh, that trade, that was the trade that I placed first without the rolling over. Okay, we got screwed on this trade. So that's the fourth trade that we lose today. Okay, price is really messing us about over here. So we got screwed on that one. So sometimes, as you can see, price doesn't go our way. Right? Oh, this one is having a breakout. Okay. How high can this one go? Potentially here. So let's go over here. So let's place a trade so we cannot, so we don't miss it. Another one there. How high this thing can go? Probably over here. So we got 2 trades going on. Let me just turn this down. So probably here. So hopefully it's going to meet this local top over here. And we'll be able to secure these first two trades. Well, not first two trades, these two trades, because we lost 4 already. So we need to secure these ones to continue playing this game, okay, guys? Because the target today is 300 bucks, okay? 300 bucks. Seems like we're gonna get burned. Come on, push it up, push it up. 15 seconds. Ah, man, what's going on today? No, 7 seconds, 5 seconds. Damn, we are in really bad luck today. So 4 seconds, we lost that one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades lost already. So we got 4 more trades. So if you lose 4 more trades, that's it for today. We're gonna call it a day because seems like the markets are not in our favor. This one is dumping, okay. This one is coming back. Okay, we missed this shot. Yep. So let's have a look around. Let's see if we can find some more opportunities. So we already down 25 bucks. Okay, guys, so we have 5 trades going on this particular currency right here. So we got 15 seconds on the first one. So hopefully all will go well and we'll be able to score a few trades on this one. So everything shows that potentially we're gonna see the price coming to this top right here. So we scored the first one, we scored the second one, we scored the third one, and also we could see that I've increased my amount to 2.5 because I lost on the 1%. So I decided to double up, to recoup my losses in just a few trades, in short amount of trades, okay? Because if I continue with 280, then it would take me longer to go back to my initial investment. So 284 right there. Okay, so that was a good catch right here. So let's look for the next one. Okay, guys, so just a quick update. So last trade was 929, so it's 942. So I've just been looking for trades. As you can see right here, trade seems like, well, the pairs that we selected initially, they are breaking the pattern. Okay, so this one is no longer have a continuation to the upside. So potentially we're going to see a dump on this one, the trade reversing. Okay, because it's doing lower highs and also lower lows. Okay, so we have to keep that in mind. This one right here, it broke the pattern so many ways, so we're gonna scratch this one off the table. This one, even though it's pumping, the candles are very small, so it will take a long time to make a trade on this one. So we're gonna cancel that one, scratch that one from the list. This one, as you can see, broke the pattern as well. So lower highs right there and also lower lows. So if we draw new lines, we should be able to see over here somewhere, something like this. Okay. We can see that it's clearly on a downtrend. And if you do this one right here, just like this, we can see that the trend has changed. Okay, so this one potentially now, so let me turn this one into purple so we can see it properly. So this one potentially now we could say, okay, we're gonna go short on this one. So every time the price meets the purple line, most likely the price will be rejected and we'll have a continuation to the downside. Okay, so even though MACD is showing otherwise, like crossover over here and green bars, okay, so price potential will come to this area right here, to the purple area, and will be rejected and be bounced back down to the continuation to the downside because we got a new pattern right here. Okay, so if that's the case, we're potentially going to take a trade on this one. So instead of 638, we're going to start with 2.8, which was our initial on 1%. Okay, 2.8 right there. Okay, because we are in profit, we recoup our losses and we made $4. We're gonna stick to the original trading amount, so 2.8. Okay, so let's see what's gonna happen with this one. Obviously, it is breaking out this pattern, so potentially we'll have a continuation to this previous pattern, but as you can see, everything is unpredictable in this uh, trading zone. But let's wait and see. So in the meantime, let me look around. So this one right here, like I showed you in the beginning, was forming a triangle. I thought it would come over here, but it didn't. But it instead decided to form a new trend right there. But this one I'm not going to trade because you can see the volume is too low and the candles are too close to each other. So I'm going to scratch this one off the list. Let's look back at this one. Okay, so it seems like this one is changing the trend again. Okay, seems like it's going to come and meet this one, but probably going to have a slight pullback before the continuation to the upside. This one right here. So let me unlock this. Okay, right there. So still following the pattern. Okay, as you can see right here, still following the pattern. So, but the thing is, the reason I haven't traded on this one because the signal is very weak. Okay, very small candles, so I can get burned very easily. All right. So, but it's still following the pattern, so I'm keeping an eye on that one. So this one was inside his zone, but now it's not. So I'm just keeping an eye on it for now. Also, MACD, it doesn't look good. This one, I saved this one because it was going down, but there was a slight pump over here. I thought it would have a continuation to the upside, but seems like it's not. So most likely I'm going to leave that one alone. Just keep an eye on it. So this one, it's non-OTC currency. So we're gonna make it like this. So let's call this the local bottom. Probably the price will come over here to the local bottom. As you can see right here in MACD, we got a crossover and we got small red bar. So potentially this one will come down to this line right here. Again, this is not OTC, so it might take some time to reach this line. And we can call this one a local top right here. So we know top and bottom right there, okay? Next one in line, we have this one right here. This one still on the uptrend. Okay, so I thought the price would come over here to this line and bounce, but it's bouncing, but it's taking its time, right? So the signal is weak, as you can see right here. Multiple crossovers on the MACD, so this can be a risky trade. But you know, at the same time, the trend is still going up. Okay, potentially the price will come to this line again, right? But it might take more than 1 minute and 11 seconds. Okay, this one right here, okay, still on the uptrend. So potentially this one is going to be a good trade. Let me see if I can catch this one right there. So this one potentially going to be a nice trade and a continuation to the upside. So we took one trade right there. So let's see if we can catch another one there. Okay. And let's see another one here. So hopefully price will have a continuation to the upside. We'll be able to score these 3 trades and will put us around 290 bucks. Okay, so lots of green bars over here, and we got a crossover on the MACD, and the trend is up, as you can see, up, down, and now it's time to go up. That's why I decided to hit higher. Okay, but sometimes it does not happen. As you can see right here, this big engulfing bearish candle came down to ruin us all, I believe. Okay, so we got to be careful with that. So I'm going to take another trade over here because I still believe that the price potentially will go up. Okay, even though we got this big red candle, I still believe that price potentially will go up. So, oh, we scored the first one. Cool. Yeah, we got the first trade. Yes, we did. Sweet. Okay, second one, we got 2 seconds. We scored that one, so we got 7 seconds on the third trade. Ooh, that was a close. Oh, we scored. Woo! That was a close call. Okay, so we made $4 in these 4 trades. Cool. So hopefully we're gonna capitalize on this one as well, and we'll make another $2.35. So that will put us at 293. Okay, so we got 20 seconds to go. Price is really volatile in this area, but I wanted to keep pushing up. Keep pushing up. Okay, 15 seconds. That's it. Big bullish candle. That's what we want. Final stretch, 10 seconds. Okay, last 5 seconds. And boom, we scored that one. So perfect trading right there. So 4 trades in a row. So 293, so we got $7 to go. Okay, guys, so let's browse around and let's look for our next potential trade. Okay, so this one is definitely going down, is breaking the pattern right here. Okay, so this pattern right here is no longer valid because is forming a completely new pattern. At the same time, the signal over here in the MACD, it's very poor quality, so I'm gonna keep an eye on that one for now. So this one right here came from down here. You know, I thought it would go down, but then pumped up, and now he's potentially going down. But you know, it's a tricky one right here, okay? Because we're still on the uptrend, and despite having some red bars over here, so potentially we're gonna have a slight pullback over here before we're gonna have a continuation to the upside. Okay, so this is a dangerous one. So ideal scenario is catching this one around here to go up. Okay, but let's see how it goes. So essentially, we just need to win. So we need $7. So you made 258. So 3 trades. So we just need to win 3 trades. Okay, that's all we need for today, and we're gonna reach our target. So let's have a look around and let's see what's up. So this one potentially will come amid this one, but this one is on the uptrend because we are above the 100 EMA. Okay, so we're gonna let it roll all the way here, and if the price decides to bounce back up, we're potentially gonna take this trade. But at the same time, look closely, we can see that the candles are not very big. Okay, very small candles. But let's see how it goes. Okay, let me look at Tesla. Okay, this one is in 2 minds, it's reacting. So we're gonna wait a few more seconds. This one is pumping. Okay, this one is coming to the line where we're expecting it. This one right here, still on a downtrend. So potentially gonna leave this one alone. Yeah, scratch that one from the book. Okay, this one is the real one. So it didn't come all the way to the local bottom as we expected. So we're gonna leave it as it is for now. So this one right here is the one we just took the trade, I think. Still on a continuation to the upside despite showing lots of red bars. So we're potentially going to see another pullback. So let me lock this up. Okay, potentially going to see another pullback, and potentially the trade might change. So if this local high doesn't break this one, then the trend might be changing to the downside. Okay, so this one right here is very important to analyze what's happening. So we got a high right here, we got another high right here, and we got another small high right here. So that's showing us that the trend might be going down. Okay, so if we do this, let me open the screen a little bit more. Okay, so if we do this, we can see that the trend might be changing. Okay, it might be changing. So we got to keep an eye on it. Right, so let's have a look around. Let's see what's up. And yeah, hopefully we're going to be able to score the next 3 trades and wrap this video up. It's already 34 minutes long. So hopefully it's not going to take much longer. So it's 9:52. So we've been trading for 52 minutes to be more precise. Okay, so hopefully before 1 hour, we're going to be able to reach our target, which is $300, and cash out. Okay, guys, took a trade on this one. So I'm going to take 3 trades on this one. So 2 minutes and 11 seconds per trade. because I strongly believe that this one is going to go up. Okay, so I decided to give 2 minutes and 11 seconds for these three trades to develop. Okay, it's taking its time because the candles are a bit small. Okay, but the MACD is showing lots of green candles. We got a crossover right there. So potentially, I strongly believe that this one is going to be a winner and we'll be able to secure these three trades. Okay, so that's all we need to lock up these three trades so we can wrap this video up, wrap this trading session, and cash out our gains. Okay, so let's have a look. So we got 1 minute and 20 seconds on the first trade, 122, 125. Okay, so hopefully price will have enough time to develop and go up towards our targets, which is the local top right here. Okay, so hopefully price will come over here to the local top and we'll be able to secure these three trades. Okay, 58 seconds to go. Price is really not moving much around our entries. Ideally, I want the price to go up, okay, so we can secure it, but less likely is going to be our way. Signal is getting weak, candles are getting weak, but hopefully we're going to have a pump like this bullish candle over here, and we'll be able to, clear all these three trades. Okay, there you go, bullish candle. Okay, buyers really trying to push the price up. Okay, that's what we want to see. Okay, so we got 15 seconds on the first trade. Okay, hopefully price will have a continuation to the upside long enough for us to secure these three trades. So the first one, I think it's this one over here on top. Okay, that one is clear. Okay, so the second one is clear, and the third one, come on, be clear too. Boom, boom, boom. We made it, guys. We made it. So today's session, we performed lots of trades. So we lost a few. We had a bad start, I would say. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades. So we had a bad start. But, when you do your technical analysis and you are, more than 50% sure that potentially the trade will go your way, then, we got to take the gamble and risk it. Because, this money that right here, it's risk capital. Okay, guys, I'm willing to lose my funds, but at the same time, I'm using risk management. So I used 1% on the first few trades, but then it went wrong. So I was like, okay, I need to go for 2.5% to recoup my losses, because 2.5% is 2.5x is the initial amount that I invested. Okay, so that means I don't have to place as many trades to recoup my losses. So when I place 2.5 and won these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades in a row, I managed to recoup my losses and still be in profit. Okay, so yeah, that's that, guys. So cashing out, it's very simple. So all we gotta do is come over here to withdraw. Over here on withdraw amounts, we select the amount not the amount, the currency that we want to cash out. Okay. Okay, guys, our target has been reached, 300 bucks. So we're gonna put in the security code, Google Authenticate code. Okay, 75 bucks, and we hit continue, and boom, that's it, guys. So our goal has been reached. So now my second goal is to achieve to double this up again. Okay, because I started with 100 bucks, and then 100, I reached 200. So I've cashed out a quarter of my balance, a quarter, which is 25% of the total balance, which was 50 bucks at the time. So 200, 25% of 200 is 50 bucks. Okay. 25% of 300 is 75 bucks. Okay, which is I just did right now. So now I'm going to double this up again. Okay, so I'm going to trade my trades to double this up again to reach 450 bucks. Okay, and then I will then withdraw another quarter of my balance, and essentially that's that. So let me go over to my trading history so I can show you today's performance. And there you have it, guys. So today we performed 19 trades, so profitable trades, 63%, turning over 76 bucks. Okay, and the net trading profit was 21.29. Okay, so max trade 638, minimum trade 2.80, and over here we can see the currency pairs that we made bucks. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna wrap this video up, and stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.